Greetings, Dan here. This is dittofi, and I've already created an application that is effectively a copy of one of their tutorials, and I don't know why it's asking me to log in again. That's not right. I'm already logged in. So here's my workspace, and then I click on get app code, and I did try to publish to my repo, and the repo name is right here. Uh, right here, simple dittofi app. Copy that. Remote name, and then the URL right here. And the remote branch, I'm just going to force the push. Let's see if that's a required field. I'll say the branch is main. And authentication, I'm going to put in my name here. And I put in the password. Let's pause. And I put in my password, and now I get error pushing to remote. Not happy about that. The error message is not very useful. Let's see if there's anything more informative in the source code. In the error console, let's see, console could not load. Error blocked by. Let's see, what do we got here? Okay. Get all kinds of errors in here, actually. And yeah, I got all kinds of errors. I don't know which one applies to my particular error. Oh, look at that. Lots of errors. Plenty of issues, too. Is that dittofi, or is that something I've done? I don't know. And let's take a look. I did download the code, and let's take a look at that. You'll see I've got it right here in export zip, and we'll go with the front, open the front end, see what's there. Let's see what public looks like. Index.html. Open that. Nothing. I guess one of the things I was hoping that that dittofi would give me a PWA option. That's something I guess we'll have to work on later. But I did get the Go files to open. Not the front end. I need the back end. And here is the main Go, and this should open in Visual Studio Code, which it did, and you can see that yeah, it's done a pretty good job of documenting the code. I'm not a Go guy, so I'm not quite sure what I'm looking at here. But they did say that the code is clean, and I can say that yeah, it's definitely well documented. All of this is generated through the dittofi application. So yeah, um, there's definitely a learning curve. There's definitely some soft points that need to be clarified, like the publishing to the repository, the error message is useless. As well, I was hoping there was be a PWA option either in the code. And if you download the code, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work as a local application. That being said, dittofi is interesting, and I look forward to exploring more. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.